Ex-actress Megan Fox prepares to pay spouse support to her husband, Brian Austin. Here are other female celebrities who have had to shell out huge sums of money to their former husbands. Megan Fox and Brian Austin Green. After being together for more than a decade, Megan announced her split with husband Brian, and just a month after the declaration, Brian filed for spouse support, citing his inability to work due to a car crash. The alimony amount is yet to be finalized. Madonna and Guy Ritchie. Married to filmmaker Guy Ritchie for more than 8 years, Madonna split with him, citing unreasonable behavior on his part. It worked out well for Ritchie as he walked away with a fifth of Madonna's net worth in hard cash. Jennifer Lopez and Chris Judd. J-Lo sure has an eye for backup dancers. While Casper Smart was her latest eye candy, he hasn't been the only one. J-Lo was married to Chris Judd, and while the marriage lasted only for 8 months, Chris walked away with a hefty spouse support of $15 million. Brittany Spears and Kevin Federline. Even though Brittany and Kevin had an agreement that the custody of their 2 children will go to Brittany if they split, she lost the case due to her odd behavior. Citing incidents like shaving her head and her stints with rehabs, the court granted Kevin the custody, and Brittany was asked to pay $20,000 a month as spouse support.